Sign of the function. This is the last lesson in algebra for senior 1. Now I need to get the sign of the function. This means when y is positive and when y is negative and when y is 0. So we are going to discuss three different kind of function. Constant, first degree, second degree. So first we are going to take constant function. If fx equal 2, this means y equal 2. So we are going to draw a line like this parallel to x-axis at 2. So if you take any number, f1 it will be 2, f0 it will be 2, f negative 1 it will be 2. So any number you are going to take for x, the answer of y will be 2. So for all, this symbol means for all x belong to R, y will be positive. Now if fx equal negative 3, now I want to get the sign for this function, which is a constant function, which means 0 degree function. f1 equal negative 3, f2 equal negative 3. Any number you are going to take, the result will be negative 3. And if I want to draw it, I will go down at negative 3 and draw a line parallel to x-axis. So here, for all values of x, it will be a negative function, y will be negative. Now what about the linear function or the first degree function? Like fx equals 3x plus 6, it is a first degree function. First, you are going to get 0 value. How? 3x plus 6 equals 0. So 3x equals negative 6, x equals negative 2. When x equals negative 2, y will be 0. We have two methods to get the sign of the function. First, trial and error. I'm going to take any number at the right of negative 2 for x, like x equals 4. If you write here x equals 4, it will be 3 times 4 plus 6, which will be 18. So any x we are going to take here, y will be positive. And any x you are going to take here, like negative 5 or negative 6 or negative 7, if I put negative 5, it will be 3 times negative 5, which is negative 15, plus 6, it will be negative 9. So y will be negative. So here, y is positive, and here, y is negative. But x equal negative 2 will make y equal 0. Another method, negative c over b. What's meaning of c? 6. And what's b? 3. So negative c over b is negative 6 over 3. It will be negative 2. So this is the value of x, which make y equal 0. So x equal negative 2 will make y equal 0. And at the right, the sign will be as b. So b is positive 3. So at the right of negative 2, y is as b, which means y is positive. And at the left, y is negative. So the sign will be y is positive. When y will be positive? When x is greater than negative 2. And y is negative. When is y negative? When x is smaller than negative 2. And y will be 0 when x equal negative 2. Our last example. If x equal negative half x plus 1. Now I need to get sign of the function when y is positive, when y is negative, and when y is 0. First, we said we have two methods. Negative c over b, which means negative 1 divide negative half will be 2. So x equal 2, make y 0. Or you are going to make the equation negative half x plus 1 equals 0. So half x equal 1, so x equal 2. So x equal 2, make y 0. We said at the right will be as b, and at the left will be opposite to b. Here b is negative. So here y is negative and here y is positive. So if you want to get the sign of the function, y is negative. When y is negative, when x is greater than 2. X greater than 2 will make y negative sign. So x greater than 2, which will mean to infinity, y is negative sign. And when y is positive, when x from negative infinity to 2, or x is smaller than 2. And what make y equal 0? 2 itself.